Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Janice.
And today we're going to be doing a shopping vlog at
Walmart. So we went to Target for back to school supplies and we didn't get everything we needed.
Nope.
So we are going
to Walmart now.
to Walmart to do the rest. We don't need a whole lot.
No, we only need like 4 things.
So yeah, we'll do that. All right.
Let's go.
These are cute. What are these? Like little backpack charms.
I don't know, but they are cute and
I
pretty.
think they are. They're very cute.
Ooh, look at that one. 2019. Oh, beautiful.
The hardest time finding
A yellow
yellow
plastic
pocket folder. They don't have any. It's all paper.
We just need plastic. Oh,
That looks crazy.
wait. Wow.
It looks like bubbles.
Wait, I'm so confused.
That is really cool.
This is like an optical illusion.
You have like 2 pencil pouches.
I know, but it's so sparkly. I like how you can feel the sparkle. Oh my god, this is adorable. It's like a whole package.
Is it cactuses or cacti?
Cacti.
Nobody knows, not me.
Look at this turtle, I think. It's like sparkles inside.
Oh, this is pretty.
Ooh,
Like
that looks like a
hollow.
mermaid tail.
Alright.
Whoa, glow in the dark. You do know what I'm thinking? You
That is back to
thinking what
school
I'm
shopping and
thinking?
not slime shopping.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh my gosh.
That's heavy. They're so heavy.
Look at that.
Ruler. It's like a floppy fish.
That's cool.
This
That's
is-
actually really cool.
It is cool. You can fit it in your pencil box. You just have to roll it.
I'm gonna get you this one.
No.
No.
Free to sparkle, too much sparkle. Look at her hair is already. She needs a hair wash.
This is cute.
That is very cute, actually.
That's cute.
And that one's so fun. This one's a
is a
pig.
That one's a cat. This is a bunny.
I got this is a pig.
Those are real cute. They're by Crayola.
Ooh, Crayola.
Oh, a stamp. So
Some
Jordan likes to draw, and so she likes to use the paper mate flares. So we'll get these.
Oh, yeah, they are. These, I like how they're like rainbowish.
You should get them.
Oh, this is
Oh, look how
adorable.
cute this is. These are cute. These could go in your room on
These
your...
could. These
You
are,
could get those for your board in your room.
yeah. Be sweet. Remember to be sweet. I'm gonna get these little magnets, but are you a savory or a sweet person? Comment down below.
Alright guys, so that was our Walmart shopping
We
vlog.
had lots of fun, but we couldn't find the yellow folder.
It's because they need plastic and most of them are paper.
Yeah, all the yellow ones were just paper.
I don't know.
Plastic.
I don't know. Anyway, please remember to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff.
and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.